Welcome. This is an everyday yoga full body stretch that's under 10 minutes. You can do any time of the day to help you feel your best. We'll begin sitting on the knees, gently leaning forward and tucking the toes. Take a moment here just to connect with the sensation in the bottoms of the feet. Now you can stay here if this feels okay, or you can come all the way up sitting on the heels. If you're sitting up on your heels, feel free to make a fist with both hands and begin to circle the wrist, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Remember to go both ways. And we'll begin to circle the neck, again just feeling out all the clicks and ticks, warming up the spine. Whenever you're ready, we'll gently release, untuck the toes, take a moment, shake it out. We'll come into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhaling, dropping the belly, take your gaze up for cow. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down for cat. We'll continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. Now you can continue your cat-cows or begin to find some organic movement, maybe circling the waist, rocking side to side, wherever the body takes you today. When you're ready, we'll find a neutral spine, begin to walk the hands forward, hips stay over the knees as you start to melt the chest down, taking the forehead or chin to the mat. For a puppy pose. Option here to place a block underneath the forehead for added height and support. If you don't have blocks, you can always use books. We'll inhale, rounding through the spine. As you come all the way down to your belly, use a bit of your core here, resting on the forearms, elbows in line with the shoulders, tucking that tailbone. Inhale as you lift through the sternum, gentle back bend. And we'll gently release, tucking the toes, again just using a bit of your core here, pressing the hips up and back for down dog, pressing the mat away from your hands and feet. Be strong here. Tailbone up towards the sky. Feel free to keep a generous bend in the knees. You can even walk the knees, so bending one, bend the other. Inhale as you step to the top of the mat, coming right into a half lift, flat back, come up as high as you need. Exhale, fold, generous bend in the knees here as the thighs begin to support your torso. Either keep your hands on the mat or grab opposite elbows. Lengthening through the spine, softening the neck, let the head be heavy. Maybe even swaying side to side. Maybe gently shake the head yes and no. Observing the spine decompressing here. We'll inhale, gently release, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. Go ahead and take the feet mat with distance. Hands to your sides, and just begin to sway the arms side to side. Doesn't need to be a huge sway here with the arms, could be just a gentle sway. Just taking a moment to connect with the body. And we'll start to slow our sway, coming back to center. Begin to shake the hands. So just shaking the wrists, shaking the hands, just letting go of what no longer serves us today, creating space for new, bringing all that good energy in. And a really great way to get the blood flowing throughout the entire body. When you're ready, we'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, fold, option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.